Hey guys, what's going on? James here at the Fresh Food Factory. Today's kind of slow, so we're taking our signs, letting everybody know that, hey, we're a food truck. We're also filming a movie, so make sure you stay tuned, follow my YouTube page, make sure you hit that bell for new videos. Right now, we're standing outside of our truck, trying to attract attention to us. We're sitting here waving, trying to get some attention to us here, setting up today. Yep, got him looking. See it? Look at that. Got him looking.
Maybe if you're out here.
Look, I bet you they turn around. Man, if they turn around, I'm gonna jump up and move the camera. With my palm.
With your paw.
With my palm. Blue palm. Just get them to look.
Well, yeah.
So, I guess we're just out here trying something new. You know, we got these signs, and I would rather be inside cooking the great food that we cook, but right now we ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna stand out here holding a sign. There you go. Look, I bet you that van stops. Wait. He was smiling at you.
I know he was.
See, look, they're turning around.
I know he smiles at me.
This is the starting.
You don't want to see
This ain't that type of show. This is a television network show.
And nobody wants to see that.
Bet you these guys in a white van, they went by the first time, seen our signs, they were like looking. They went down to Circle K, turned around, came back looking, and they made a left. So we'll see if they come back. See, the key word is filming a movie. That gets them inquired. So I am taking GoPro clips. I'm taking all the things that we do, like events, places I've gone, things like that, some of my videos. I'm also putting up a personal diary along with it that's telling the life of a food trucker, how I got started, everything like that. Also, many other things to come. So thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification. And every once in a while, why don't you go ahead and copy a link and share the video on your Facebook page or your Instagram. Appreciate your support. This is James here at the Fresh Food Factory food truck, Pensacola, Florida. Look, here they come. Here they come, I bet you. Look, they're looking at you. Hey, you're supposed to be waving at the men going by.
Look.
What do you mean, look? No, they're looking at you. You should be
They're not looking at me.
They,
If they were looking at me, they wouldn't be on the other side of the street.
they can't see you because you're behind a sign. Sitting down. They can't see. They were
I'm
looking
not for
at
sale.
you. I didn't say you were for sale. Food is for sale.
Exactly.
They want to see a face. They're like, oh, a girl. Oh, see, we got one right here. Let's get up and go. Boom. Got one. Let's go. Up. Well, I was on live when you pulled up. We were out there waving the sign. So I was like, seeing you pull in, I said, oh, we got one. Got to get in there, wash my hands. Well, I appreciate you.
I like the rodeo burger. The rodeo, but it's really big. And two rodeo?
How many burgers total?
Two rodeos and one cheeseburger. Three burgers, correct?
3 burgers all day.
All with fries.
3 burgers all day. 2 rodeos and cheeseburger all day.
All American and 2 rodeos and 3 fries. That's gonna be $34.50 now. Thank you so much.
So we give me about 6.5 minutes, 6 minutes or so.
Okay.
Actually, let her know she can watch it. There it
I'm
is.
sure she knows she can watch it.
We got the redneck hibachi. Get charged. And go fast.
Well, some of them are too quick and then they get no work.
It's a thick card, that's why.
No? I wonder, like, why? Like, is it because of the thickness?
Because of the thickness.
I think some parts feel like they're, like, messy, you know, and then some are, like,
And yeah, see the little black scratches? The readers actually caused the problem.
yeah, but that's supply and demand, you know? That's how they do business.
Keep trying.
I mean, if you want me to keep trying it, we can keep trying it if you want to do it.
If